Imagine falling into the most destructive force in the entire universe, a place where time stops, light cannot escape, and the laws of physics completely break down. A place so extreme that even our best scientists cannot fully explain what happens inside. Today, we are going in. Welcome to Beyond the Cosmos, the channel where we explore the most mind-blowing secrets of the universe. I am your host, and today we are diving deep into one of the greatest mysteries in all of science. What actually happens inside a black hole? Buckle up, because what you're about to hear will completely change the way you see the universe. Before we go inside, let us understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so incredibly powerful that absolutely nothing, not even light, can escape from it. They're born when a massive star, at least 20 times bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity in a violent explosion called a supernova. What remains after this explosion is an incredibly dense point in space called a singularity, where all the mass of that giant star is compressed into an infinitely small point. Surrounding this singularity is what we call the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross this invisible boundary and you're gone forever. Not even light can come back. The nearest black hole to Earth is called Gaia BH1, and it sits just 1,560 light years away from us. To put that in perspective, if you traveled at the speed of light, it would still take you 1,560 years to reach it. And our own Milky Way galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center called Sagittarius A. It is 4 million times more massive than our entire sun. Now let us take a journey. Imagine you are in a spaceship approaching a black hole. The first thing you would notice is something called gravitational lensing. The black hole's gravity is so powerful that it bends light around it, creating a stunning visual ring of distorted stars and galaxies behind it. This is called the photon ring, and it is one of the most beautiful sights in the entire universe. As you get closer, something strange starts happening to time itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity warps time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. This means that if you were watching someone fall toward a black hole from a safe distance, you would see them slow down more and more until they appear completely frozen at the event horizon, never actually crossing it. But from the perspective of the person falling in, they would feel nothing unusual as they cross the event horizon. No wall, no alarm, no signal. They would simply cross an invisible line and be inside. This is one of the most mind-bending facts in all of physics. Two people experiencing the exact same event in completely different ways, all because of gravity. So what actually happens once you cross the event horizon and go inside? The first thing that would happen is something scientists call spaghettification. And yes, that is the actual scientific term. As you fall toward the singularity, the gravitational pull on your feet would be enormously stronger than the pull on your head. This difference in gravity would stretch your body like spaghetti, pulling you longer and thinner until you are torn apart at the atomic level. But here is where things get truly bizarre. Inside a black hole, space and time swap roles. In our normal world, we can move freely through space, but we are always forced to move forward through time. But inside a black hole, the singularity becomes your future. No matter what direction you move, you are always moving toward the singularity. It is completely unavoidable, just like you cannot avoid moving forward in time right now. And at the singularity itself, our understanding of physics completely breaks down. Einstein's equations produce infinite values, which in mathematics means our current theories simply cannot describe what happens there. This is why black holes are the greatest unsolved mystery in modern physics. We have incredible theories, but nobody truly knows what happens at the very center. So what actually happens inside a black hole? The honest answer is, we do not fully know. We know you would be spaghettified. We know time would warp beyond recognition. We know space and time would swap roles. We know physics, as we understand it, completely breaks down at the singularity. But what truly lies at the center, what happens to the information of everything that falls in, whether black holes connect to other universes through wormholes, these questions remain the greatest mysteries in all of science. And that is what makes black holes so extraordinary. In a universe we have mapped and measured and explored for centuries, black holes remind us that there are still things beyond our understanding. Still secrets the cosmos has not revealed. The universe is far stranger, far more beautiful, and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. That was beyond the cosmos, and that was the terrifying, mind-bending truth about what happens inside a black hole. If this video made your brain hurt in the best possible way, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next journey into the unknown. We will see you in the next one. Cheats.